Okay, sorry about that. So what do I know? Emil has 13 pencils in a cup. He takes some pencils out. There's 6 pencils left in the cup. How many pencils does he take out? So what addition fact can we use to solve this problem? Back to my pen. So I know that he had 13 pencils in the cup. And I know that there's 6 left. So I could say 6 plus what, that's going to be the number he took out, will give me those 13 pencils. So you can draw a picture, you can use counters. It's however what works best for you. So I'm going to draw a picture. I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to keep going until I get to 13. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So what did I add? I added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 plus 7 equals 13. That means this mystery number right here is the number of pencils that he took out. So Emil takes out 7 pencils. And I can check it. So I know he had 13 pencils. So here's my picture. And he took out some pencils and there's 6 left. So I'm left with these green 6. So that means if I took out these 7 pencils, I would be left with the 6 pencils. So that also means that 13 minus 7 will equal 6. All right. Mark has 5 red pens and 2 blue pens. He gives Anna 1 blue pen and 1 red pen to Anna. How many pens does he have now? So I'm going to do this one just a little bit differently. I'm going to do it with numbers. So Mark has 5 red pens and 2 blue pens. So here's my 5 red pens. And here's my 2 blue pens. Well, okay. But he gives Anna a blue pen. So if he had 2 and he gives 1 away, that means he only has 1 left. And he gave her 1 red pen. Well, he had 5 red pens, and if he gives her 1, then he only has 4 red pens. Now, how many pens does he have? So it's asking us to add up these 2 numbers right here, the 4 pens and the 1 pen, because this is what he has after he gave Anna a blue pen and a red pen. So I'm going to add up my 4 plus my 1 more. Well, I know 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1 more is going to be 5. Mark has 5 pens now. Let's work on some multiple choice. It tells us to choose the correct answer. Rosa has 13 red marbles and 9 blue marbles. How many more red marbles than blue marbles does Rosa have? All right. So what's it asking? It's asking how many more of the red marbles she has than the blue marbles. So it wants to know the difference between the 2. Okay, so I know that she has 13 red marbles and she has 9 blue marbles, and it wants to know the difference between the 2. How many more reds than blues she has. So I could do 13 minus 9. All right, so you could do the subtraction problem, or you could change it and turn it into addition. 9 plus what will equal my 13 marbles? And this mystery number right here is going to be the difference. It's going to be how many more of those red marbles she has than blue marbles. So I'm going to draw a picture for this addition problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I'm going to keep going till I get to 13. So that's 10, 11, 12, 13. I added 4 marbles. That means she has 4 more red marbles than she does blue marbles. That's what it's asking, the difference between the 2. So I would fill that in. All right, number 15. Javier is finding 12 minus 6. He's finding 12 minus 6. Which addition fact will help him subtract? So we need an addition fact to support this subtraction. So I would do it like this. I would turn it around and I would say, okay, 6 plus what will equal 12? So I need to find that mystery number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many did I add? I added 6. 6 plus 6 equals 12. And then I would come over here to my choices and I would choose the one that it matches what I did. 6 plus 6 equals 12 will help me solve the subtraction problem, 12 minus 6. Monique has 14 balloons. She gives 6 balloons to her brother. Then she gives 3 balloons to her sister. How many balloons does Monique have? All right. My highlighter. So what do I know? I know that she had 14 balloons, but she gives, that's subtraction, she gives 6 balloons to her brother. Then she gives 3 balloons to her sister. How many balloons does Monique have? So I could write that as a subtraction problem. I could say, whoops. Hold on. I could say 14 minus the 6 minus the 3 would equal what? Or I could do it like this. I could do 6 plus 3 plus my mystery number would give me those 14 balloons. This mystery number is what Monique has now. And that is what our question asks. It asks what she has now. So you could do it 2 ways. All right, I know that 6 plus 3 is, well, there's 6, 7, 8, 9. So 6 plus 3 is 9. And then I could say, okay, 9 plus what is going to be 14? Okay, so 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 9 plus 5 equals 14. This mystery number right here is what Monique has now. So I would fill that bubble in. All right, number 17. Which subtraction sentence can you solve by using 3 plus 9 is 12? Okay, so I could draw this problem. 1, 2, 3 plus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So look, I have 12 dots. Okay, so I've got to have a 12 here. I've got to have a 12 in one of these subtraction sentences, and this one does not have a 12. So I know I'm going to just mark it out. I know that's not right. And this one says 12 minus 6, but this 6 right here was never in my problem. I could say 12 minus 3. 3 was in my addition sentence, and I could subtract that from here and know that I would have 9 left. So this one was not an option, and this is my only correct answer. All right, so your homework is this yellow homework page and this yellow homework page attached to your Google Classroom assignment.